Morning children. This video is for class 2 students and the subject is computer. Earlier we have completed our chapter number 5. Now we are going to start this new chapter number 6. The name of this chapter is Paint in Computer. This is the 5th video, that's why I have written here part 5, and I have also written here today's date 29th of September. So what you have to do, you have to just take out your computer book, open your book, page number 33. 33 is chapter number 6. So let's see what is given in this chapter. Children, you enjoy drawing and painting on a paper. All of you are very eager to draw something in your drawing book, and you also love drawing and painting on a paper. So but what if you get a chance to draw pictures on the computer? Till now you make a drawing in your drawing book or in a paper, but if you get a chance to draw in a computer, what will you do? We can draw pictures with the help of a mouse in a computer in a more attractive way. In a computer there are so many options to draw the picture. You can draw it with the help of mouse in more attractive way. Just like you draw on a paper, you can draw on the screen of the computer with the help of paint. Paint is a program which provides you different options to draw the picture on the computer. So just like you draw on a paper, you can also draw on the screen of the computer with the help of this paint. So now we have to learn what is paint. Paint is a program which helps us to draw pictures of different sizes, shapes and colors in a computer. What do you mean by paint? So you just take your pencil and underline this one. This is the definition of paint. You have to learn it very carefully. Paint is a program which helps us to draw pictures of different sizes, shapes and colors in a computer. Now to begin with computer, how we can open paint in our computer? So these are the steps which you have to follow. The first step is double click on the icon. This is the icon which is denoted as a paint icon. So double click on the icon from the Windows desktop. When you are going to double click on this icon, your paint screen is opened. It opens as this is the paint screen. Here you can see different options are given here, and each and every options are very useful and very helpful for drawing the picture in your computer. Now the next page. There are different components of the paint screen which helps to work with drawing picture. So by using those components you can draw the picture on your computer. First one, minimize button. What is the work of this button? Minimize button. It is used to minimize or shrink, reduce the active paint screen into a small button which then lies as an icon on the taskbar. So minimize button, generally we can say that minimize button is used to shrink or reduce the active paint screen. The next one is maximize button. It is the maximize button. You can look at on your screen, the minimize is a button is appeared just like this. Maximize button is appeared just like this icon. So maximize button, if the active screen is small or in minimized form, then by clicking on this maximize button, the screen is restored to its maximum size. So when you are going to click on this icon, the screen is going to be in big size. The next is close button. So this button is appear just like this. It is close button. This button is used to close the opened screen. So if you want to close the screen, then you have to use this one. When you are going to click on this button, the screen is opened screen is going to be closed. The next one is drawing board. The blank area of paint which acts like a sheet of paper on which pictures or figures are drawn is called a drawing board. So if you look at the back, then you can see this blank area, and this blank area is called drawing board, and this area is used for drawing the picture in your computer. So it acts like a drawing sheet. Next is tool, brushes and shapes. Tools, brushes and shapes are a set of buttons which help in drawing pictures. In tools, brushes and shapes, you can see that so many tools are there, different shapes, which if you want to draw a shapes, different kind of shapes, triangle, rectangle, circle, oval, like that. So you can use from there. Different tools are also there, and if you want to color the paint picture or drawing, then you can use different sizes of brushes. It is available on the screen. So this option provides you tools, brushes and shapes to draw the picture. The next one is color. All of you know what is the use of color while drawing a picture. Color helps to select different colors and fill it in figures and drawing. So color is used to fill the color in your picture. Attractive colors, so many colors are there. You have to use all those color according to your need, and you can fill it in your drawing. So these are the different options which are available in your paint screen, and by using all these options you can make a perfect drawing in your computer. So that's all for today's class. In next class we will see how we can make a picture, how we can make a drawing, how we can fill the color with the practical. There are different lab assignments which you have to do. So all those things we are going to do in the next class. Till that, thank you and have a nice day.